are the best mangoes in the world. And I'm sure we will all agree, being representatives of different countries, that this is indeed a fact, that the Pakistani mango is the best mango and the sweetest mango. And we must work together to ensure that all the citizens of your country have access to this treasure of Pakistan that is the Pakistani mango. I would like to share with all of you that as soon as I became Foreign Minister of Pakistan, it has been one of my priorities to focus on our mango diplomacy. And as I and my family, we have our own mango farms in Sindh. So I have gifted a crate of mangoes for all the foreign ministers of all the countries that we share diplomatic relations with, and either through your embassies or directly, we have ensured that they have managed to taste our mango. And it is so important for us that we share this treasure of ours internationally and across the world. We seek your help, your support, your guidance in being able to share this fruit with communities across the world. We do genuinely feel that the Pakistani mango, and I know from experience because I grew up eating Pakistani mango, and for me, I believed, or I was of the view that this is what everybody thought mangoes tasted like. And when I went to university in the United Kingdom for the first time and visited the grocery store to pick up my mangoes when mango season arrived, it was to my shock and horror that I discovered that all mangoes across the world did not indeed taste like Pakistani mangoes. In fact, they're a poor imitation of the mango. I don't even know whether they should be allowed to be called mango. And after discovering this truth, it has become part of my personal mission to ensure that we correct this mango injustice and ensure that all peoples anywhere across the globe can taste the Sindri, the Chonsa, the Lal Badshah, the Anwar Rathod that is grown here in Pakistan, in Sindh, and in Punjab. Honestly speaking, it is not just the mango. Pakistan has such a wide variety of uniquely delicious fruit, and we must work together in these challenging economic times to help the Pakistani farmer get his product to the international market, to meet your requirements, your safety requirements, your hygiene requirements, and get these products to the international market. So I'm once again extremely grateful to everyone at the Farmer Office who worked so hard for this Mango Festival, and for all of you who've taken time out today to attend and to taste this delicious fruit. And I look forward to working with your embassies and your ministries and your governments to ensure that your citizens have access to our mangoes. Once again, thank you so very much. I hope you enjoy the rest of the festival. We're celebrating 75 years of Pakistan, and I'm so happy to kick off these celebrations with this Mango Festival. And you'll see over the course, particularly in early August, there'll be an increase of activities from the Foreign Office side in celebration of our 75 years. And we will also be looking to celebrate 75 years of friendship with your